Ajde, kaži mi sve. What is that?
It's a sign.
It's a sign. What kind of sign?
Girl sign. It says no little girl.
What does it say?
No little girl.
Let me see. Let me see. Show me. Show me.
No little girls.
What is this?
No little girls.
What is this?
X girl.
You ask the girls. And what you gonna do with that?
Put it on my door.
What you gonna do?
Put it on my door.
And what is that? It's a sign?
Yeah.
So why?
Because
Why? So you're who is not allowed in?
my sister.
You don't want her in your room? Okay, can you tell me?
Because she always comes in my room.
In what?
And she always comes in another at school.
She comes to your school.
Huh?
Does she come to your school?
Yeah, well, sometimes one day.
She did?
Yeah, when she was 2 years old.
She came to your school.
Yeah, and she was a new friend.
Okay, so what you gonna do with the sign? Mm. Oh, you can tape it with a sticker.
Oh. Like this?
Yeah, put that on the sign. And where you gonna put it?
On my door.
On your door?
Here.
Thank you, baby.
Oh yeah, I get to put this on my door now.
Okay, let's see. Where you gonna put it?
On my door.
Let me see.
Has a sticker and the store says no other girls allowed.
No little girls allowed? Okay, let's go. Bless you.
That's my room.
So you're gonna put it on the door? So what is it now? Let me see.
No little girls. So only boys allowed.
Yeah?
So no girls.
No girls? Okay, you close the door now? Bye, Philip.